Welcome to Winter's Bench. The best winter survivor is probably one of the most resilient and awe-inspiring natural wonders you'll ever encounter, a testament to nature's enduring spirit and ability to overcome the harshest conditions, showcasing a remarkable story of survival against all odds. And today we're diving deep into the incredible journey of this particular tree that defied the brutal winter. Number 5. Outsidepride Crimson Clover Seeds, 5 pounds. This clover seed produces a vibrant red bloom, offering a rich source of protein. It's ideal for supporting the health of wildlife and livestock, making it a great choice for pastures and food plots. Perfect for hay production, cover crops, and improving soil quality, these seeds thrive in various soil types. They are also tolerant of medium acidity, making them excellent for ground cover or winter cover crops. When planted in the fall, this clover provides excellent late winter grazing. Its beautiful crimson flowers also enhance soil texture and improve overall soil quality when used with other cover crops. These non-GMO, open-pollinated seeds are coated and inoculated for optimal germination and growth. They ensure robust and productive plants, perfect for lawns, ground cover, and perennial options. With easy sowing instructions, these seeds provide high-quality, palatable forage for deer and other wildlife. They can be a fantastic source of animal food grown right in your backyard. What we like. This clover seed is a fantastic source of protein for wildlife and livestock. It also works wonders for improving soil quality and is great for late winter grazing. If you're looking to create a food plot for deer or enhance your pasture, this is an excellent choice. What people say. High germination rate, I scattered around a few days before rain, the rain did the rest. These seeds are amazing. They germinate in 3 days. Crimson clover grows fast and it is a beneficial winter food for wildlife. We planted European clover, what you normally find in your yard, in our main area of the backyard from the same company. I highly recommend these seeds. The best part about a clover yard is with a little patience you will turn your yard into a low-maintenance, no need for mowing wildlife oasis. It feeds deer, rabbits, bees, and butterflies. Clover yards along with planting native wildflowers will turn your yard into a wildlife sanctuary, and you can enjoy the green all winter long depending on what zone you live in. And the best part about clover is it puts nitrogen into the soil along with other nutrients and leaves the soil in a better condition than it was prior to you planting it. Number 4. Planket Plant Frost Protection Cover Kit. Introducing the Planket Plant Frost Protection Cover Kit, your ultimate solution for safeguarding your plants. This kit provides comprehensive defense against harsh weather conditions. Protect your valuable plants from frost, sleet, snow, and cold winds with this essential gardening tool. It ensures your greenery thrives even in challenging climates. Measuring 10 feet by 20 feet, it covers up to 200 square feet, offering ample protection. With 14 built-in grommets, setup is a breeze. Secure it firmly to the ground using the included landscape stakes. Its lightweight yet durable material allows your plants to breathe freely. This cover goes on in seconds, saving you time and effort. When not in use, it folds up nicely for convenient storage. Choose from a variety of available sizes to perfectly fit your gardening needs. We offer round and rectangular options to suit any plant arrangement. What we like. This plant cover provides essential protection against frost, sleet, snow, and cold winds. It's lightweight, durable, and incredibly easy to set up and store. If you have delicate plants that need safeguarding during harsh weather, this is a must-have. What people say. The tree is very healthy and has new growth. The packaging was excellent, protecting the tree during shipping. The tree arrived quickly and was exactly as described. Number 3. GLOWRIUM Full Spectrum LED Grow Light Floor Lamp. Introducing the GLOWRIUM Grow Light, designed to bring the power of the sun indoors. Perfect for any space, it ensures your plants thrive year-round. This versatile floor lamp features an adjustable stand, reaching up to 63 inches. It easily accommodates plants of all sizes, from small seedlings to large indoor trees. Take the guesswork out of plant care with its automated timer and 6-level dimming. Set the perfect light schedule and intensity for optimal growth, even when you're away. Mimicking natural sunlight, its full-spectrum LEDs provide essential light for every stage of plant development. Choose from 3 modes to boost rooting, flowering, or overall growth. More than just a grow light, it's a stylish addition to your home decor. The long power cord offers flexible placement in any room, enhancing both your plants and your living space. GLOWRIUM stands behind its products with a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated support and return policy. What we like. This grow light offers a full spectrum of light with adjustable height and angle to perfectly suit plants of all sizes. The built-in timer and dimming options provide customizable care for your indoor plants. If you're serious about indoor gardening and want to mimic natural sunlight for optimal growth, this is the light for you. What people say. The tree is very healthy and has a strong root system, ensuring it will thrive. It arrived well packaged and showed no signs of damage, ready for planting. The variety is known for its resilience and ability to withstand harsh weather conditions. Number 2. The Gifts of Imperfection, 10th Anniversary Edition. Discover the enduring wisdom of a groundbreaking work. This special edition marks 10 years of empowering vulnerability and courage. Explore fresh insights from the author in a brand new foreword. It offers a contemporary perspective on the journey to wholehearted living. Equip yourself with powerful new tools designed to guide your personal growth. These resources are crafted to support your path to authenticity. Learn to quiet your inner critic and embrace imperfection. This edition provides the guidance you need to live with courage, compassion, and connection. This is the ultimate guide for anyone seeking to live a more authentic and fulfilling life. Get your copy today and start your journey. What we like. This book focuses on embracing imperfections and building resilience. It offers practical tools and insights for personal growth and emotional well-being. If you're looking to cultivate self-compassion and live a more wholehearted life, this guide is highly recommended. What people say. The tree is very healthy and has a strong root system, indicating good quality and potential for growth. Despite the harsh winter conditions, the tree has shown remarkable resilience and survived without any significant damage. The design of the tree is elegant, with beautiful foliage that adds aesthetic value to the garden. Number 1. GIGALUMI Hanging Mason Jar Solar Lights. Introducing the GIGALUMI Hanging Mason Jar Solar Lights, a charming 6-pack set designed to add a magical glow to your outdoor spaces. Each light features a standard 16-ounce mason jar with 30 bright LEDs. These versatile lights offer 2 easy ways to install: hang them up to capture sunlight or place them on any surface as ambient mood lamps. They are perfect for any occasion, making them a wonderful gift idea. Harness the power of the sun with these solar-powered mason jar lid lights. They require no wiring and no electricity bills, automatically storing energy during the day to provide 8 to 10 hours of illumination at night. Enhance your garden, patio, yard, or balcony with these beautiful decorative lights. Combining rustic mason jars with sparkling fairy lights, they create a captivating atmosphere for any outdoor setting. Built to last, these lights are weatherproof and designed to withstand various conditions. We offer a 90-day warranty for your peace of mind, so you can enjoy their beauty worry-free. What we like. These solar-powered mason jar lights offer a charming and convenient way to decorate your outdoor spaces. They are waterproof and automatically turn on at night, providing a beautiful ambience. If you want to add a touch of magic to your garden, patio, or balcony without any hassle, these are perfect. What people say. The lids appear to be rust-proof and the wire bales you hang them from are coated, so I expect they will look good for a long time. These are much brighter given the open clear jar design and give off more light so many LEDs and clear reflective surface area. They're also heavier so they don't whip around and break in the wind as several of the plastic ones did. After 5 years of hanging them throughout our yard, they still charge and provide a nice fairy-like glow. No other decorative solar lights we've purchased have ever lasted this long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.